I'm Lorena Pilar, 35 years old, married with 3 kids from Philippines. I worked before in Qatar for 4 years under one employer. I can take care of kids and newborn. I can clean the house, wash and ironing clothes. I can assist in the kitchen. I'm willing to learn how to cook Arabic food. I can make salata, pancake, Arabic coffee, and tea. I am expecting 1,700 dirhams for my monthly salary. I'm aware that I have no day off with 2 years contract. I will able to use my phone after all work finished. Thank you.